My name is Mark Romano, father of Adam, and Adam was born with a congenital heart defect. Little did we know that 2.5 years later he would be facing open heart surgery.
His particular condition, part of what he had done was a valve replacement.
About 2 years ago, 21, I started getting fatigued very easily, tired all the time, noticing, something might be up, with the valve, and it might be time for something to be done as far as replacing of that.
I really didn't want to see my son have to face open heart surgery again. So I got a phone call from Dr. Martinez. He said there is a Dr. Ringwald based out of St. Joseph's Children's Hospital, and there is a new procedure with replacing that melody valve. And the words that rang loud and clear to me was it was non-invasive,
Right.
and it meant not open heart. Adam, I believe, was the third patient in Tampa Bay at St. Joseph's Children's Hospital to actually have it done.
Post-surgery was great. The staff at St. Joe's was amazing. The recovery time, only in there for 3 days. During those 3 days was, just great service. The scar for the procedure, very small. It's, gone now. That was, compared to, scar down your chest and open heart.
It's been like he's a new kid. He's not tired. He has more energy. His color came back. It was the best thing we ever did.